My channel. So for today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to the Hamptons with some of my best girlfriends. Yeah, it's become like our annual thing. We did this last year too and it was so much fun. So it's just like a little weekend trip, so I'm very excited. So I'm in the car with Anna now and we're headed to the food store. So I'm so excited. We're going food shopping and then we're literally gonna be on our way, and the Airbnb looks so freaking cool. I'm gonna do a house tour on my vlog channel, which my vlog channel has been dead for like 3 years, but I'm bringing it back to life. Yes. So get ready for more videos, all the content everywhere. So yeah, and check me out on TikTok if you haven't already, because I've been way more active on TikTok than really anything else. So yeah. Kels is here. Say hi. So pretty. Didn't you want blueberries, Anna? So we have this whole list of what we need to get and what we're bringing. So this is what I was bringing from home. So I'm really excited. We're gonna shop now.
Let me get all my
We got all the goods. We have 2 carts full.
I love fresh tomatoes. This is my favorite.
That's her favorite.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
We're in the car, and if you can't tell, I'm vlogging on my phone, not my camera, because I left my camera in Walmart filming when I was filming my groceries getting checked out. I left it there. We were like 30 minutes away, but we're driving back, and yeah, Anna couldn't get her trunk open. A lot of things feel like they're going wrong, but hopefully things look up. I got my camera. Now we're just going to the bathroom, so yeah, and then we're gonna be on our way. We're 3 minutes away. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
I can't wait. The other girls are already there because we had our little mishap. We're here. I can't wait. I have to pee so bad. That is the first thing I'm doing.
Hello. It's so cute.
Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my god, it looks like the Green Courthouse. No, we said that. It looks like the Green Courthouse. Ooh,
say hi. Oh my god, I know. I can't wait to watch the footage of them like realizing I left it and like.
Look at your bed.
What?
That's me and Bree's room.
Oh. Oh my god. Wait, that's
big
stunning.
Oh,
that's stunning. What's in here? Okay.
Wait, show them outside, Kelsey. Look at the hot tub.
Okay, I need to pee. Do you want to show them?
Yeah, sure. So, wait, Anna, come. This is the backyard. Wait. Like, who the fuck is knocking? Look how cute. And then the hot tub, like I love how it has this big patio. Oh, so and it, look, an outlet right there. We could plug our speakers in and drink. And there's a fire pit down there. Woohoo! I think we don't have the stairs next to here again. I know, so we could just like run, right? We could just run back and forth. And it's so big, like even on the reviews it said it was huge. This nice, what's the word? Scenery. Woohoo! Look how gorgeous. This has 2 beds in it. A nice little couch too, like a little futon. A closet. Oh my god, it's like broken. Oopsies. A bathroom.
Hello.
Hello, gorgeous.
How are you?
Another bedroom. And then another bedroom. Like, are we kidding?
Oh my gosh, I love that. That's so pretty.
That's so pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I love it.
Yay. Yeah. I'm so happy to be here.
We're gonna get drunk.
I
love it so much. Who's sleeping where? Oh, How do I tell?
Aw, this is me and Kelsey's room.
Cute.
So cute.
Let's put on some makeup and get our drinks ready.
Uncle Larry.
Brianna!
Sorry.
Oh yeah, let me give you a hug.
Can you tell? I was
Hi.
How are you? They have like this whole cabinet of every hot sauce you could think of.
Shift into deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless.
Anyone ever try these? I'm trying them for the first time. So let's see, they're called Long Island Original Craft Vodka Cocktails. So we'll see how those go. An onion.
Is this a great mirror?
Yeah, stock that fridge, girls. Should I put my speaker on and let's get this cranky?
Yeah. So we're gonna start out the trip with a celebratory
Ew, I need
shot.
makeup on.
Stop, you look beautiful. What time is it? It's 3:21. Why did I think it was like 6:30 or something? Wait, I need a chaser. I don't? I might puke. This is gonna be foul. I never do it without a chaser. Start it off right.
They ain't call me patty cake, cause the way that ass shake, I'ma make them do hot shit. That shit come on my outfit.
No, Kelsey.
Okay, what do I have to do?
Just do a dance. We're making a Make the Stallion
Pour the
TikTok.
Sprite on you.
Wait, or someone pour vodka in my mouth.
I don't taste quick, cause I ain't thirsty.
Wait, hold on. We need to do that again. It was too delayed.
Okay, so I showered and curled my hair and redid my makeup and I changed into this comfy little set. I was gonna wear something cuter, but honestly we're just in the house, so for now I'm just gonna wear something comfy.
Okay, ready?
You just need some
Down, up.
Oh yeah!
Smoke, that's my best combination. You just
Woo! Fucking scared of him.
Wait, do the card.
Stop!
Okay, Justin Bieber.
See, I am Goose. Is Teddy. Teddy. That's Swan.
Bonnie.
Irene. Melbean.
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 Melbean. No. No. I'm Melbean. No. Oh no, Miss Fickle.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors.
So it's like 6:30 and I feel like such a loser, but I think I'm gonna take a nap because I'm just so exhausted between like work this week and school. Ugh, this bed looks so freaking cozy. So I'm definitely going to crash for like an hour.
Oh my hose.
So I'm up for my nap and we're making a bunch of dino nuggets. And then I'm also gonna make some mac and cheese. Oh my gosh, glorious. Hi, I got towels for everyone after we got out of the jacuzzi. I love you.
I love you.
With you right here, I will rock a Here we go, here we go, Making pancakes.
Look at this pancake.
Oh, so
Pancake
fancy.
fucking queen.
Pancake queen. Family breakfast.
Love my friends. I'm so thankful to have the best friends ever.
Oh,
Nobody else can say they can do this with their friends.
I love you guys. We got a whole feast. So I cleaned the kitchen and I made lemon slices for everyone so we could have lemon water. And now I think I'm going to go in the shower and do my hair and makeup because I'm cooking tonight. I'm making chicken franchise and rigatoni alla vodka for everyone.
When I make start, put it in the waist, I'm then I grab on my way,
Just like the movies, I was gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you.
Chef Anna! Alright, so I just showered and got dressed and I'm about to do my makeup. I'm really excited to make dinner tonight. I don't get to cook for my friends often, so this will be really fun because I love to cook and we all love Italian food, so it's gonna be so good. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done with my makeup. Alright guys, so my hair and makeup is done. I just curled it and blow dried it and did like a little smoky eye type thing. Not super smoky. I still have to put my lip color on, but yeah, I'm pretty much all ready and I'm about to start cooking. What are you doing?
I just can't.
I like your bib.
I hate this
Part right here.
I can't take it any longer. And then we were gonna lose on me. Oh no. Unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters. Thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback.
We're doing a welcome shot for Sarah.
Yeah, baby. Okay, I'm hard. Everyone's great. Let's see. Everyone's good.
I made dinner.
Thanks, Kyle.
Is it good?
So good.
Yay!
Yummy.
We have rigatoni alla vodka, and then we have, it's not focusing, and then we have chicken franchise and breadsticks, and Anna made these chicken cutlets, but you can actually have the chicken franchise because I made it dairy-free for you.
I know.
You're welcome.
All right, let's fucking eat.
Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages. Citrus
Don't think you're strong enough now.
I don't talk shit about you on the internet. She's gift from
Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all out.
Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday morning and it's time to leave. Wow, my hair looks atrocious, but I'm actually in the middle of doing my makeup. I don't know why I'm vlogging right now. I just wanted to say that we're leaving. I think we're gonna explore the Hamptons a little bit, get like breakfast, and then yeah, so we'll see. It's a beautiful day out. So we're leaving the house now. It was such a good trip. We're heading into like the town of the Hamptons now, so I'm really excited because we're gonna get some breakfast first of all because I am hungry, and then we're gonna like look at the little shops and whatever. And
Your hair came out pretty.
Thank you.
Have you ever been to the Hamptons before?
I don't think like the shops or anything, no.
You're gonna love it.
Yay.
I haven't been here probably since I was 6 years
I'm gonna
old,
get
so
copyrighted.
it's pretty new for me too because it was a long time ago, but I'm excited to show Kelsey, and I'm sad this trip is over. It went by so fast.
Yeah. Goodbye, 516th Street, East Hampton.
It was fun.
It was real.
Another trip by Anna and Kelsey.
We just got to the little town. It's so cute. Anna's taking pictures.
Oh, that was a cute shot of you I got.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so cute. Taking everything in.
Yes.
So cute.
Here in the sunlight. Wait, there's somebody trying to come out.
So we're at 75 Main. It looks really good. Creme brulee hollow French toast.
When I was younger,
Are you kidding me?
I used to pronounce that.
What? I think I need to. Sarah got an espresso martini.
Hell yeah, I
Looks
did.
so good. She's a whole ass mood right now. Oh yeah.
I got an iced coffee.
Here's coffee. What? Sprite. I got Sprite too. Oh my gosh, the food looks so freaking good. Brianna and I are splitting. We got creme brulee French toast and eggs Benedict, and we're each splitting, which looks awesome.
Oh, it's got little honey.
Alright guys, so I'm home and I unloaded like the groceries. I haven't unpacked yet, but I think I'm gonna take a nap. It's like 3 p.m. but I'm so tired from just the weekend. So yeah, I thought I'd end the vlog here. I love you guys so much, and I really hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed, you know, seeing a weekend with my friends. We get a little crazy around here. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.